Hello, Ego Young Minds. Today we're going to talk about how to change mixed number to improper fraction. So meron ako dito mga halimbawa. Let's take this example number 1. I have here a mixed number that is 4 and 1/3. Ngayon ay gawin natin siyang improper fraction. Para magawa yan, sundin lang to. Okay. First, you have to multiply the whole number and the denominator. So multiply natin yan. That is just 4 times 3 and that is 12. And then, let us add the product to the numerator. Idagdag lang natin yan dito. So that is 12 plus 1 and that is now 13. Pagkatapos, kopyahin lang natin or you just have to copy the denominator. So the answer now is 13 over 3. And ganyan lang yan. Number 2. Again, same process lang. Multiply the whole number and the denominator. Times natin yan. So that is 6 times 5 and that is 30. Pagkatapos, let us add the product to the numerator. Ipag-plus lang natin yan. 30 plus 3, that is now 33. And then, kopyahin natin ang denominator na 5. Okay, so the answer now is 33 over 5. Number 3 na agad tayo. Di ba napakadali lang? Same process, multiply the whole number and the denominator. So that is 3 times 7 and that is 21. Pagkatapos, 21 yan, idagdag natin yan dito sa numerator na 6. Okay, so that is 21 plus 6 and that is 27. Pagkatapos, kuha mo na ang numerator, kopyahin na lang natin ang denominator sa baba. So the answer now is 27 over 7. Okay. Let's take this example number 4. Same process, multiply the whole number and the denominator, that is 5 times 6. Times lang yan. 5 times 6, that is 30. Pagkatapos, idagdag natin sa numerator na 5. So that is 30 plus 5 and that is now 35. And then, kopyahin na lang natin ang denominator na 6. You have now 35 over 6. Okay? That is now correct. Number 5 naman tayo. Same pa rin. Multiply the whole number and the denominator. And that is just 11 times 8. And that is 88. Pagkatapos, let us add that 1 to the numerator na 1. So that is 88 plus 1. Magiging 89. Okay? And then, let us just copy the denominator 8. So your answer now is 89 over 8. Okay? Ganun lang po yan. Kadali. Okay? Maraming salamat sa inyo. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!